again. Oh, we are already live. Usually it gives you a countdown. So anyways, we're live right now, guys. We are going to learn how to use the magic wand and what images they are for. So we have this image right here up. The magic wand, like we said yesterday, selects pixels based on color and hue. All right, all according to tolerance. So with that being said, I want everybody to have this image up. Go ahead. First thing you do with an image right now is just go ahead and unlock it. Our objective is to take this soccer ball out from the white background and move it to another document. All right. So again, we either need to delete the background and then move the soccer ball, or select just the soccer ball. And you're going to see that the magic wand is most likely best for this because the magic wand is good for selecting one color or hue. All right, because remember yesterday we saw that if we had a low tolerance, Photoshop knows the difference between black and white and different colors. All right, so let's go ahead and grab the magic wand, which again is the fourth tool down. Yours probably looks like a paintbrush with a lasso. If you right click on it, you will see the magic wand. Again, we are going to try to separate this from its background. Now, we can do it two ways. We can delete the white background, or we can select the black soccer ball. Either way is fine. Both ways will work, right, Migley? So, I'm going to go ahead, grab my magic wand. And a lot of you guys, I see you're already trying to click to select it. There's one thing you guys need to do, and that's how to add to your selection. So right now, my tolerance, I believe, is set at 32. I can't see this far. Nope, set at 100. Let's go ahead and set it at 32. Do we want to delete the background, or do we want to select the soccer ball? Anybody have a preference? We want to delete the background. Sounds good, because it's one color, should be easy. So if we go ahead and set the tolerance to 32, and I just click the white background, notice I've got my dancing ants around my soccer ball. I'm just zooming in a little bit. But then down here, we have an issue right here. Because that tolerance is low, Photoshop knows that this shadow is different than the white background. So let's go ahead first off and delete what we have selected, because we know we don't want any of it. So if I hit delete, you're going to go ahead and get a transparent background. That's what the checkers mean. But we want that bottom shadow gone a little bit. I'll wait till you guys get that all there. All we did is just hit delete. We should have a transparent background with a soccer ball with the shadow at the bottom. If when you hit delete, it copied a bunch of times, that's because you did not unlock your background. Right now, check your partner. Make sure they have what I have on the screen. Give me a thumbs up if you need more time. All right, good, here we go. So now let's go ahead. You need to hit Control-D to get those dancing ants away. Remember, that's our hotkey, Control-D. And I'm going to zoom in to this bottom shadow part right here. Now, this is going to be a little bit tricky because you're going to see that the black soccer ball blends in with that black shadow at the bottom, which is fine. Since this is the first selection tool you're using, we will try to get it done. Normally, I would use the pen tool. Let's go ahead and try. Let's just try clicking in this gray, see what happens. Over on the right-hand side, if I click, notice I get the dancing ants around it a little bit here. That's fine. Let's hit delete. We're slowly working away at it. Hit Control-D. I'm going to click that gray spot on the outside that I didn't get the first time. Delete. All I'm doing is clicking and hitting delete while hitting delete on there and slowly getting in. I think you ain't going to be able to get it because it's pretty much the exact same color as that. Maybe if we change the tolerance down to 1. Let's change the tolerance down to 1. Let's make Photoshop really picky, and let's see if we can get this down here. We could. It does recognize it's a different color. Let's bring it up to 10. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother. That's good enough for now. Normally you could just take the eraser or something, don't worry. Right now I want you to make sure you and your partner have something that looks like this. Right now I'm going to give you 10 seconds. If you or your partner need more time, raise your hand so I know to give you guys a couple seconds. Okay. Because you got to click it. Hit Control D. Now hit delete. No, not Control delete, just delete. All right, now click the other white. Delete. Click the other black. No, the black. There you go. Delete. There you go, buddy. Hit Control D. Remember, to get the dancing ants away, Control D. If you do not hit Control D right now and we try to move this over, you're going to have a big problem because you're only going to move over the selection. Remember, if you have something selected, that's the only thing you're going to be able to edit or move. All right, go ahead and hit V. V is the shortcut for the move tool, or you can just go up here to the top left, and now you'll notice you've got your soccer ball all isolated. We are going to now take this image, and we're going to place it on another image. Don't move it just yet. I want everybody right now to go to Google. And I want you to type in my name, Phil Wysick. And this is the image I want you to pull up. Yeah, it's my first year for St. Baldrick's. I grew my hair out. My after picture's up there too. So all you do is type in Phil Wysick, last name W-I-C-Y-K. Find this image. I do not want you to save it. I just want you to right-click copy. Remember, it goes on the clipboard. Right-click copy, hit Control-N for a new one. Remember, it's going to have clipboard, all the specifications. And then hit Control-V. So you should have three tabs technically. This one, and the other soccer one. What's up? Your computer froze? Here's your first one right here. So I'm doing a Google Hangout, so you will be able to pick up these. There's no assignment off this. This goes for more. If you want to get up, so just type Phil Wysick. You should be one of the first ones, guys. First ones. W-I-C-Y-K. W-I-C-Y-K. Control V, guys. Remember, when you right-click save, or when you right-click copy photo, it gets put on that imaginary clipboard. When you hit Control N, you have a clipboard document. Nope. Hit Control Alt Z. Sorry, just hit Control Alt Z. Now hit Control N for a new one. You see how it says clipboard? These are the exact specifications. Hit OK. And then hit Control V to paste. There you go. Control V is paste. Remember, when you right click Migley, copy, I'm going to take that tomorrow. Yeah, well, now you have a question all of a sudden. Maybe it's on your phone. Can you move your mouse? So it's not frozen.
There you go.
Hit Control N, Jose. What's up? Hit Control N. Not Jose, I'm sorry. Hit Control N. Not you, Jose. Hit Control N. Dave, if you couldn't help him on this, hit OK. See how that says clipboard, hit Control V. After a couple of. All right, guys, we are going to take that soccer ball and put it right as if it's going to hit my head. Now, watch what I do first before you try. We got 6 minutes to get this. With your move tool selected, watch what I do first before you try, because a lot of you guys might not understand until I do it a couple times. I am going to click and hold. Right now, I am holding down. I'm going to drag my mouse up to the document I want to switch it to. Hold it. It's going to switch tabs. I'm still holding down. I'm bringing down, and then I'm letting go. It will look like this. Don't worry. I'm going to give you a couple more hotkeys. Again, I will do it one more time. I'm going to hit Control Alt Z to undo. I am here. I'm clicking, holding, bringing it up to the tab I want to switch it to, bringing it on down, and letting go. Everybody's screen should look like this. So click there, hold. Oh, you didn't get the other one open. Did you find my image? Yeah. All right, I'll help you in 1 second. All right. All right, if yours looks like this, if you accidentally undock something like so, all right, all you did is just grab a tab off. That's it. It's just like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. If you want to re-tab it, you just click right back next to the other ones. Wait till you see a blue line at top and your window to go transparent, and let go, and it will redock. Now, obviously, you've got a giant soccer ball on your image, okay? They're 2 different sizes. Notice you now have 3 layers. You've got the soccer ball layer, the layer of me, and the background layer. We want to make this soccer ball a little bit smaller. If you need to take notes, write this down. This is how you resize. It's called transforming. Transforming. When you hit Control T, you will get these square brackets. All right, or handlebars. Now, you might have to zoom out. Now, before you start transforming, listening to what I say about it. When you transform, you normally want to scale in proportion. Scale in proportion, meaning usually in Photoshop, you're transforming people. And if you don't scale in proportion, you make someone skinnier or fatter or taller or shorter than they really are. You want to keep them in proportion. So in order to scale in proportion, hold down Shift as you grab a corner and drag. Now, I will do it again, don't worry. I hit Control T to bring up the handles. I'm going to hold down Shift, grab a corner. Now you need to unclick before you let go of Shift. Now, my soccer ball is still here. Don't worry, though it's not pictured, it's still here. All I need to do is click and drag it up to there. And the last thing you need to do is to accept it. And to accept it, you just hit Enter. Because you're not on the right layer. You didn't bring the soccer ball over. Hit Escape. If you don't like how you transform something, hit Escape, and it will undo everything for you. If you still don't, Control-Alt-Z. Because you need to hit Control-N. Remember, you saved it on your clipboard, right? You right-click copy, right? So it's on your invisible clipboard, right? So you hit Control-N, use the Photoshop document clipboard, hit OK, and then paste. Guys, make sure everybody in your row has got this before you log off. You do not need to save. You're all good. We're going to keep doing this, all right? Don't worry.
Okay. Go to the soccer ball.
So to round up a couple things about the magic wand. Listen up one more time. I'm going to give you our definition and the best it's used for. So the magic wand, guys, is selecting pixels of similar hue and color according to tolerance. All right? The magic wand is going to be best used for deleting or selecting images of one color or of like colors. Because you notice, you're going to notice tomorrow when we get to the magic wand, not the magic wand, quick selection tool, when we have these images with multiple colors, it's going to take a lot of clicks with that magic wand. All right, guys? You do not need to save this. Tomorrow when you get in, we'll do one more with the magic wand before moving on to the quick selection tool. Are there any questions? All right, that's all I got. I'm going to stop my broadcast. I got 1 minute to show you where these things are going to be located.